Here's a quick follow-up video to my Solus wear ring swap video. In this video, I'll be replacing my stock impeller with a Solus SR-CD 1119. In the box, there's two different drive shaft cones, as well as the stainless steel impeller. It has been precision machined and balanced from the factory for optimum performance. Here's a comparison between the stock impeller and the new Solus impeller. I believe this was mainly due to negligence and abuse of the Sea-Doo by the previous owner, but as you can see there, the clearance is very tight on that new Solus impeller. If you'd like to check for yourself whether your wear ring or impeller needs to be replaced, just slide a feeler gauge in between the impeller and the wear ring, and it should be no more than 0.35 millimeters. All of the steps for removing the jet pump and swapping out the impeller can be found in the top right corner in my wear ring swap video. As you can see, now the clearance is between 0.2 and 0.23 millimeters, which has given me significant performance improvements and zero cavitation. Thanks for watching. As always, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.